Having the perfect spray mop can totally transform your cleaning routine. So in this video today, I'm breaking down the top 5 best spray mops in 2024. Through comprehensive research and testing, I've put together a list of 5 spray mops that will meet your specific needs. But now the issue is that a spray mop might work great for one person, but it might not be the best for you. And that's just because most spray mops are not made with the same people in mind. And that's why I made sure to include options for all types of situations. So regardless of what you're looking for, I'll have the perfect spray mop for you. All the links to find the best prices on all of the spray mop mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The spray mop mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned until the end so you don't miss anything. So without further delay, let's start the video.
The fifth product on our list is the MEXERRIS Microfiber Spray Mop for floor cleaning. This mop is a great option for anyone who wants to make cleaning their floors easier and more efficient. The MEXERRIS Spray Mop comes with a number of features that make it a great choice for floor cleaning. First, it has a 360-degree rotating head, which allows you to reach all the corners of your room without having to move the mop around. Second, it has a built-in sprayer, which allows you to apply cleaning solution to the floor without having to use a bucket. This saves time and water, and it also helps to prevent cross-contamination. Third, the mop comes with a set of reusable microfiber pads, which are easy to clean and can be used over and over again. This saves you money on disposable paper towels, and this spray mop made of high-quality materials. I've been using the MEXERRIS spray mop for a few weeks now, and I'm really impressed with it. It's easy to use, it's effective, and it's made of high-quality materials. I would definitely recommend it to anyone who is looking for a new mop. If you're interested in buying the MEXERRIS spray mop, you can find it on Amazon for around $25. Overall, I think the MEXERRIS spray mop is a great option for anyone who wants to make cleaning their floors easier and more efficient. It's easy to use, it's effective, and it's made of high-quality materials. I would definitely recommend it to anyone who is looking for a new mop. Our ranking 4th place product is the O-Cedar ProMist Max Microfiber Spray Mop. This mop is a great option for anyone looking for an easy and effective way to clean their floors. It's made with durable materials and features a number of helpful design elements that make it a pleasure to use. The O-Cedar ProMist Max Microfiber Spray Mop has a number of features that make it a great choice for cleaning floors. The mop pad is made with microfiber, which is a highly absorbent material that can easily pick up dirt, dust, and grime. The pad is also machine washable, so you can easily keep it clean and sanitary. The mop head has 2 sides, so you can flip it over to clean the other side of the floor without having to change the mop pad. This is a great time saver, especially if you have a large floor to clean. The mop comes with a refillable spray bottle, so you can use your favorite cleaning solution. The bottle has a comfortable grip and a trigger that makes it easy to control the amount of spray. The O-Cedar ProMist Max Microfiber Spray Mop is battery-free, so you don't have to worry about replacing batteries. This is a great feature if you're looking for a low-maintenance mop. Overall, I was very impressed with the O-Cedar ProMist Max Microfiber Spray Mop. It's a great option for anyone looking for an easy and effective way to clean their floors. It's made with durable materials, features a number of helpful design elements, and performs very well. I highly recommend it. The third product on our list is the Swiffer WetJet Wood Floor Mopping and Cleaning Starter Kit. This is a product that I've been using for a few weeks now, and I'm really impressed with it. The Swiffer WetJet Wood is a spray mop that's designed to clean finished hardwood floors. It comes with a handle, a sprayer, and a set of disposable pads. To use it, you simply attach the handle to the sprayer, fill the reservoir with the included cleaning solution, and attach a fresh pad. Then you can start mopping your floors. The Swiffer WetJet Wood is really easy to use. The sprayer is easy to control, and the pads are really absorbent. The cleaning solution is also very effective at cleaning dirt, grime, and dust from your floors. The Swiffer WetJet Wood is really easy to use, and it does a great job of cleaning hardwood floors. The cleaning solution is effective at removing dirt, dust, and grime, and the pads are thick and absorbent so they don't leave any streaks behind. Overall, I think the Swiffer WetJet Wood is a great product. It's easy to use, effective at cleaning, and leaves your floors looking and smelling great. If you have finished hardwood floors, I would definitely recommend giving it a try. The second product on our list is the Bona Multi-Surface Floor Premium Spray Mop. This mop is designed to clean a variety of floor types, including linoleum, stone, terrazzo, vinyl, sealed porous marble, laminate, vinyl LVT, LVP, and no-wax sealed tile. It comes with a floor cleaning solution refill and a machine-washable microfiber cleaning pad. The Bona Multi-Surface Floor Premium Spray Mop has a number of features that make it a great choice for floor cleaning. First, the extra-large microfiber towel head cleans 40% faster than the leading competitor. This means that you can get your floors clean in less time. Second, the locking strips make it easy to attach and remove the pad. This makes it quick and easy to change out the pad when it's dirty. Third, the reusable and refillable design helps to reduce plastic waste. You can simply refill the floor multi-purpose cleaner solution cartridge when it's empty, and you can wash the microfiber pad in the washing machine. Finally, the durable and lightweight design makes the mop easy to use and store. I was really impressed with the performance of the Bona Multi-Surface Floor Premium Spray Mop. It cleaned floors quickly and easily, and it left them looking great. The microfiber pad picked up dirt and debris easily, and the floor cleaning solution left floors feeling clean and refreshed. I also like that the mop was easy to use and store. It's a great choice for anyone who wants a quick and easy way to clean their floors. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Bona Multi-Surface Floor Premium Spray Mop. It's a great choice for anyone who wants a quick and easy way to clean their floors. It's easy to use, it cleans well, and it's environmentally friendly. I highly recommend it. Our ranking the first products is the Rubbermaid Reveal Spray Microfiber Floor Cleaning Kit. This kit is designed to make cleaning your floors easier and more efficient. It comes with a spray mop, 2 refillable bottles, 3 reusable microfiber mopping pads, and a user manual. The spray mop is made of durable yet lightweight material. It has a long handle that makes it easy to reach all areas of your floor, and a swivel head that allows you to maneuver around furniture and other obstacles. The mop also has a non-scratch scrubber that can be used to loosen stubborn dirt and grime. The refillable bottles are made of clear plastic, so you can easily see how much solution is left. They also have a built-in measuring cup, so you can easily mix the correct amount of solution. The microfiber mopping pads are machine washable and reusable, so you can save money on disposable pads. To use the kit, simply fill the bottles with hot water and your favorite cleaning solution. Then attach the mop head to the handle and spray the solution onto your floor. Mop up the solution with the microfiber pad, and you're done. I've been using this kit for a few weeks now, and I'm really impressed with it. It's easy to use, it cleans my floors well, and it's very affordable. If you're looking for a new way to clean your floors, I highly recommend the Rubbermaid Reveal Spray Microfiber Floor Cleaning Kit. Overall, I think the Rubbermaid Reveal Spray Microfiber Floor Cleaning Kit is a great option for anyone looking for an easy and effective way to clean their floors. It's affordable, easy to use, and it cleans floors well. I would definitely recommend it.
So that wraps up our list of the many great spray mops on the market in 2024. I hope you liked this video. I have tried my best to provide accurate information about the products that are available on the market, so that you can pick the correct product for your purpose. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Also, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later. Goodbye.